ended tomorrow, where would billionaires go? While the public panics, the ultra-rich are already prepared.
Welcome to luxury doomsday bunkers.
Number 10. Custom luxury shelters built for America's wealthy. Companies like Atlas Survival Shelters design fortified underground homes.
Inside, it feels nothing like a bunker.
Advanced air filtration, armored doors, and months of food storage.
From the outside, you'd never know it exists. While chaos rages above, life continues below. Number 9. Pertwee. High-end underground estates hidden beneath ranch land. Wine cellars.
Built by elite designers like Rising S Company.
Private theaters.
Access? Biometric security only.
Because safety isn't optional. It's engineered.
This isn't survival. There's underground luxury. And this is only the beginning. Wait until you see what's ranked number.
What if a nuclear missile silo became a billionaire's paradise?
Built for war during the Cold War.
Welcome to Survival Condo in Kansas.
Even the windows are simulated.
Private theaters.
And even entertainment zones.
Food is grown underground.
There's even a medical clinic.
Designed to survive nuclear blasts.
No, Dad.
This isn't just survival, it's comfort.
But some billionaires want more than one silo.
Meet Vivo's group.
Each unit privately owned.
Protected by military-grade security.
They build entire underground communities.
Shared dining facilities. Even underground garages for armored vehicles.
Gems.
And 24/7 monitoring.
If the worst happens above,
Life continues below.
fortified, hidden, exclusive. But wait until you see the most expensive private bunker ever built.
What if survival looked like a luxury palace?
Number 6 is rumored to be one of the most expensive private bunkers ever designed. Known as the Oppidum, located in the Czech Republic.
From the inside, it feels like a 5-star resort.
Private spas.
Private theaters.
And military-grade vault rooms. Built to survive nuclear, chemical, and biological threats.
Complete with its own medical center. Even the sky can be simulated underground.
Because for billionaires, comfort is non-negotiable.
But some billionaires don't buy bunkers.
They build custom underground fortresses.
Self-sustaining food systems. Complete with private command centers. Independent water supply.
Designer bedroom suites.
And biometric-only access.
If the world outside collapses. Sealed. Secured.
But the next ones go even further.
What if the rich didn't just build bunkers, but entire underground cities?
Developers like Vivos Group design shared survival complexes for the elite. Each family owns a private unit.
But resources are shared. We're in the repetiers, we're
All monitored 24/7.
Designed to survive the unthinkable. Number 3, fully self-sustaining systems. Food grown beneath the earth. Independent water supplies. Private energy grids.
Medical centers on standby.
Even simulated outdoor parks.
day and night, controlled by technology.
Number 2, private billionaire fortresses.
Retina scan, access only. Private command centers.
Wellness facilities. Wellness facilities.
Cinemas. While the world above collapses.
Life continues below.
Sealed, secure. But the number 1 bunker is on another level. This is the most extreme survival fortress built for the ultra-rich. Completely hidden, yet unbelievably luxurious. Protected by military-grade blast doors.
Retina scan, access only.
A private command center monitors the world in real time. Designed to withstand nuclear, chemical, and biological threats. Independent water purification systems. Self-sustaining food production.
But inside, it feels like a billionaire mansion.
Designer interiors.
Private spa facilities. Indoor infinity pools. Personal theaters. Five-star hotel suites. Even secured vault rooms.
On-site medical facilities.
Armored vehicle garages.
If the worst happens above.
Life continues in comfort below.
Sealed from the world. A hidden kingdom beneath the earth.
For the ultra-rich, survival is an investment.
The question is,
If money wasn't a limit, would you live underground?